Hello student, let's try to understand refraction by spherical lenses. So how refraction takes place with the help of spherical lens? Let's try to understand. You might have seen watchmakers using the small magnifying glass to see tiny part. Have you ever touched the surface of magnifying glass with your hand? Is it plane, surface or curve? This is going to be curved. It is thicker in the middle or at the edge. The glass used in spectacles and that by the watchmakers are example of the lenses. What is the lens? How does it bend? Light rate. We shall discuss these in the sections. A transparent material bound by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical form a lens. This means that a lens is bound by at least one spherical surface. In such lenses, the other surface would be plane. A lens may have two spherical surfaces bulging outward. Such lens is called a double convex lens. It is simply called a convex lens. It is thicker at the middle of edge compared to the edge. Convex lens converging light rays as shown as figure 10.12. Hence, convex lenses are also called the converging lens. Similarly, double concave lens is bound by the two spherical surface curved inward. It is thicker at the edge than at the middle. Such lenses diverge light rays as shown in figure 10.12b. Such lenses are also called diverging lens. A double concave lens is simply called the concave lens. A lens either convex or a concave. So these are the, if you are drawn it like that. So if you see student, going denser to rare medium means the away from the normal. So it is all is going to get converged student. So convex is converging and concave is after falling student what will happen? You see here if you are making this one. So after falling it is going away from the normal. So you can see this is the diverging, it is forming the diverging. Usually represented by the letter O, a ray of light through the optical center of the lens passes without suffering any deviation. The effective diameter of the circular outline of the spherical lens is called aperture. We shall confine our discussion in the chapter to such lenses whose aperture is made much less than its radius of curvature, and thus two center of the curvature of the equidistance from the optical center O. Such lenses are called thin lenses with a small aperture. What happens when the parallel rays of light incident on lens? Let us do an activity to understand. The paper begins to burn, producing smoke. It may even catch fire after a while. Why does this happen? The light fall from the sun constitute parallel ray light. These rays were converged by the lens at the sharp bright spot formed on the paper. In fact, the bright spot you got on the paper is the real image of the sun. The contraction of the sunlight at the point generated heat. This caused the paper to burn. Lenses form the image by refracting light. How do lenses form image? What is their nature? Let us study this convex lens. So, nature and position of relative size of the image formed by concave lens, various positions. So, that we will discuss in the next class.